Hi everyone, welcome to Best Budget. In this video, I am going to discuss about 5 natural latex mattress available in India and the tricks to reduce your latex mattress cost up to 15,000 while purchasing. So let's get started. I categorized these mattresses based upon 3 parameters: mattress composition, certification and pricing. To know more about these parameters, you can click on the above link. The fifth mattress in our list is Dreamji Vilas 100% natural latex certified organic mattress. When we had a look at the mattress composition, the outer and inner layer of this mattress is made up of 100% organic cotton and the core of this mattress is made up of 100% natural latex imported from Sri Lanka and assembled in India. And the mattress is medium firm in nature. It had international quality standards and certifications like GOTS, Oikotex, Eco Institute, LGA, ABC, Stork, Satra, ISO and ISPF. And it is the mattress with most number of certifications in the list. To make the pricing easy to understand, I choose 3 most common type of mattress available in India, which is single, queen and king. The thickness I choose here is 6 inches, which is more than enough for a natural latex mattress. The price of this mattress is as follows. Single mattress costs around 24,900, while the queen mattresses cost around 42,900 and the king size will cost about 54,900. By using the coupon code available on their site, you can get the discounted price as: for single mattress it is 23,655 and for queen it is 40,755 and for king it is 52,155. When it comes to pros of this mattress, it had 12 years warranty, and when it comes to cons, it doesn't have any trial period or returns. The next mattress in our list is Sunday Latex Plus 4 mattress. It has 100% organic cotton top cover. The upper 2-inch layer of this mattress is made up of open cell layer which helps to sleep cool and comfortable, and the bottom 6 inches is designed to support and align your spine. The latex for the Sunday mattress is imported from Belgium. It had certifications like Euro Latex, LGA, GOLS and Oikotex. Single mattress of the Sunday costs around 24,999, while the queen mattress costs around 39,999 and the king costs about 46,999. There were no coupon codes on their site to reduce the price. When we had a look at the pros of this mattress, it comes with 10 years warranty, 100-night trial and free shipping. When it comes to the cons of this mattress, there is no 6-inch option available. Sleepspa Nirvana 100% pure latex 7-zone mattress stands third in our list. The outer layer of this mattress is made up of premium bamboo cover, while the core is made up of 100% natural latex. This mattress is designed with 7 different zones for ultimate body support. These zones are divided into head and neck zone, shoulder and upper back zone, lumbar zone, pelvic zone, knee zone, lower leg zone, foot and ankle zone. Soft support to upper back and pelvic area provides spinal alignment. Firm support to the lumbar area relieves tension and lower back pain. The mattress comes with certifications like Oikotex, LGA, Satra, ABC, Stork and Eco Institute. When it comes to the pricing, single mattress costs around 24,999 while the queen costs about 41,699 and the king is around 52,449. By using the coupon code Monsoon available on their site, the reduced prices are: for single it is 20,749 and for queen it is 34,610 and for king it is 43,533. When we had a look at the pros of this mattress, it had 11 years warranty and 100-night free trial. The mattress which stands second in our list is Morning Oval medium firm natural latex mattress, which is this mattress. If you want to know in-depth review of this mattress, you can click on the above link. Ultra soft natural tensile cover made from eucalyptus tree present on top. Beneath this you can find 100% organic cotton cover which covers the core of this mattress, which is 100% natural, and the latex for this mattress is from Kerala, God's own country. All together are bundled in a zipper cover which is also made up of 100% organic cotton. The single mattress from Morning Oval costs 33,999 and the queen costs around 45,999 and the king is 54,999. After using the Go Green coupon code from their site, the reduced prices are as follows. Single mattress costs after discount is 25,499 and queen 34,499 and for king it is 41,299. And the mattress comes with 15 years warranty, 100-night free trial, free shipping and free returns. Along with 25% discount, one can choose any 2 pillows available on their website. I would suggest to go for contour pillows. It gives ultimate support to your neck. Single contour pillow costs 2,000 even after discount, so you are saving 4,000 while purchasing this mattress. Springtech Latex Dunlop mattress stands first in the list. The outer cover of that mattress is made up of 100% organic cotton. while the core of that mattress is natural certified latex of single layer. It is certified by FSC, Rainforest Alliance, GOTS, TUV Rainland, Oikotex. The single mattress costs 20,999, queen size is around 49,999 and the king is 59,999. By using the coupon code SAVE35 available on their site, the reduced prices are as follows. Single you can get it for 19,499 and queen it is 32,499 and the king 38,999. This mattress comes with 11-year warranty, 30-night free trial and free shipping. All 5 mattresses mentioned in this video are good to go products. I personally prefer Morning Oval because I am using it for quite a long period of time and I was pretty happy with it. So friends, that's all for this video. Please do remember to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to never miss a video from me. And this is Suresh. I thank you so much for watching.